Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to help you change up your potato salad game with a lovely fennel and shrimp potato salad. You get a nice cool crisp bite from the fennel, you have plump little shrimp, and you also have a creamy dressing with Dijon mustard. It's a winner for summer. I'd also like to take a moment to encourage you to subscribe to my channel, and I'd love to hear any comments and feedback that you might have. We're using a red potato for this salad because they tend to hold up fairly well after being boiled. And we're going to start by cutting our potato into 1-inch chunks, and I like to leave the skin on for this particular recipe. And you're going to place your potato chunks in salted water. We're going to set this on the stove and simmer for about 12 minutes until tender. And while our potatoes are simmering, it's a good time to prep the other ingredients for the salad along with the dressing. And I have a medium-sized fennel bulb here that we're going to trim up and slice. So we're just going to start by plucking off the fronds of the fennel, because we're going to chop those and add those to the salad. Fennel is cool, bright, and has a bit of an anise taste to it. And anise is a bit of a licorice taste, but don't let that throw you off. It is wonderful. All right, I've got my fennel plucked clean. We're just going to trim the bulb of the exterior little stems. Cut your bulb in half and clean up any exterior pieces that might not be looking so good. This one's fairly nice. I'm going to cut it in half again and thinly slice. And we're not going to let these little stems go to waste, but we are going to clean them up a little bit further. Just take off any scraggly bits and thinly slice. And we also have some green onion thinly sliced to add. And we're going to give our fennel fronds a little bit of a coarse chop as well. We're going to add a little bit to the salad itself. Reserve some for the top. It's important that your potato is cooked until just tender. It should still have a little bit of resistance when you stick a fork into it. And now we're going to drain these potatoes and rinse with cold water. Once they're cool to the touch, put them in the fridge and allow them to cool completely. And the dressing really couldn't be easier. It's simply mayonnaise, sour cream, and we have a whole grain Dijon mustard, white wine vinegar, and of course a little bit of salt and pepper. Mixing the dressing is a little bit of an extra step. However, it prevents overmixing of the salad itself. Give that a little taste. Now I have some little salad shrimp here that I'm using. They're quite nice. They're nice and bite size. You could, however, use a little bit larger if you like. Whichever shrimp you use, just make sure that the tail is off and you want to pat them dry. And now that the potatoes are nice and cold, we're going to go ahead and mix everything together. And simply fold gently until everything is nicely combined. And you'll want to try it and adjust your salt as needed. Fennel and shrimp potato salad. So simple, fresh, and delicious. It really is a gorgeous summer salad. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'd appreciate any comment or feedback. We'll see you again.